Okay, let's talk about sine and cosine rule, or the laws, sine and cosine laws. Sine and cosine laws we use when we don't have a right angle triangle. You might have noticed we can't use SOHCAHTOA for these type of triangles because it's not right angled. You're not allowed. That's why we use sine law and cosine law. So here are the cases where we should use sine law and cosine law. So ASA means angle side angle, meaning side in between two angles. So for example, if I have two angles here and we know one side, then we use sine law. And AAS, SSA, but SSA could be ambiguous. Or and for cosine law we use it for SAS and side side side. Well, again, you don't have to memorize all these cases where we have to use it. You can just figure it out by seeing which ones you have, because if you don't have a certain thing, then you won't be able to use it in the first place. For example, if it's all angles, you probably can't use either of these. You can't use sine law, because sine law you require at least an angle and a side, and at least another angle and another and then another side. It's just required. Same for cosine law as well. And we'll be talking more about the ambiguous case later. But let's just take a look at the formula real quick. The sine law formula is sine A over A equals sine B over B equals sine C over C. It's a ratio, and you could use this however you want. You could just use these two. You could just use these two. Pair it however you want. That's how you use it. And cosine law is c squared is equal to a squared plus b squared minus 2ab cosine big C. Big C means the angle, and obviously these ones are all big BABC as well, meaning the angle. And that's how you use sine and cosine law. And we'll be talking about the ambiguous case for sine law the next video.